welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm just here making a video talking about the Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk with coconut oil and jojoba oil. It's sulfate-free and dye-free, and it's 6.7 fluid ounces, 200 milliliters. And yeah, this is real good. Let me see. And it smells good too. It smells coconutty and it has jojoba oil in it. So trying to go from naughty to nice, we've got just the trick. Our detangling milk helps to easily detangle your nasty knots. Why do I gotta say that? Leaving your strands soft and smooth. To experience our little miracle squeeze into your palms and comb through damp hair, detangle gently with wide tooth comb. Do not rinse. And it says that on the back. And it says, yay, coconut and jojoba. And yay, awesome hair days and no sulfates, dyes, no way hair stress. But it does have silicones, dimethicone in it. If you guys are looking for something without silicone, this has silicone in it. So yeah, but silicone works for me, but it's to block out moisture from leaving your hair, I guess. What silicone is for. So yeah, the first ingredient is water, of course. Then it has jojoba, like the dimethicone, jojoba seed, coconut oil, fragrance, all the other stuff in it. So, but it really is a very good detangler. And what I use, how I use this is I spray a lot of water. This is my spray bottle, and I spray tons of water on my scalp and hair. And you can use aloe vera juice in water if you want. You don't have to just use water by itself. And what I do is I also have this mixture that is a little bit of rose water, a lot of aloe vera gel, honey hydrate. You can use just honey if you can't afford the Camellia Rose honey hydrate. You can just use honey. And then the rest is water, so that it is just rose water, aloe vera gel, honey hydrate, and water. And rose water, of course. And then you shake it up. And then you fill the water to the top and you shake it up. And it's like something I put on with the water again. And then I add this, the Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk. So I usually add that after I wet my hair. I massage the water in my scalp and kind of finger detangle. Then I put this in my hair and scalp, kind of like a refresh spray, kind of like that. And I massage it in my scalp and my hair. And then I detangle before I use this with either this brush. This is a really good brush to use. Like this brush. It's a Crave Flexible brush. But I have a video on this. And I may use a paddle brush also to try to detangle. And if it's a wash day, I use this brush, which I don't remember how to say it. It's really good. Like, it treats these are like the fingers of the hair. This is the name of the brush, and you can detangle real well with this. And you can also make a part with this part right here. See the name? I don't remember how to say it. It's like, I don't know how to say it, but I have a video on this also from a while ago. If you've been watching me for a long time already, you know I made a video on this brush. It's amazing. And yeah, this brush. And you can also, if that doesn't work for you, you can use wide tooth combs. This is like for detangling and styling, and this is for like detangling and whatever you want to use for that. And also, when you're done, you could use Afro picks of your choice, but I would recommend that after you use this, you would use a sealant or something like that. After you use the leave-in detangling milk, I'd rather Like, I use Blue Magic in my scalp and hair, and it's really good. It smells so good, like your childhood. I started using this. I don't know if someone used it on my hair before when I was a kid, but yeah. And if you don't want to use Blue Magic, you can use cocoa butter Vaseline, or I use that sometimes. And you could use the regular Vaseline in a travel size if you want to travel with it and stuff like that. And if you're not into the greases or Vaseline, you could use an oil. This is Jamaican black castor oil. It works very well, but I just use grease because it works better for me. And I'd say if you're a gel person, you can use Pattern Beauty Stronghold Gel, Slick and Snatched. You can use these for wash and goes as well. But you just, like, this is for like curlies, coilies, and tight textures when you need a healthy hold for a slick look. So this is a really good gel. Oops. It smells good too. I highly recommend this. It really does have a strong hold. And if you don't want to break the cast and you want to have a strong hold, this is good for you. And I usually air dry. And what I do is I use the brush to brush through the product that I put in for the sealant. Like any of these brushes I may use. I use this one on wash day. But these I use on any day. You can use both of these. And or if you don't want to use brushes, you can use these wide tooth combs, like a wide tooth comb of your choice. And when you're done, like, you can do that. But if you don't want to air dry, you can use a hair dryer and a diffuser attachment, so you can dry your hair so it can be dry enough for you to, like, if you're going out somewhere like work or just to an event or just to be out and you don't feel like air drying or you have to be somewhere, you can just use the hair dryer and diffuser attachment. This is Revlon hair dryer, and this is a Conair diffuser attachment. And once you're done with drying your hair, you can use this for volume. And that's it. That's all I have to say. So I'm going to put the information for this down below. And this, I see that it's on Amazon, and there are two for the price of one on Amazon. And the other ones, I realize they say Australian jojoba oil. You want this one that just says jojoba oil, like jojoba oil on it, coconut. You want the one that says with coconut and jojoba oil, not with Australian jojoba oil, because that's a different kind that I have not used before. So I put this kind from Amazon down below. I'll put it down below. And the one, if you want to get it and not from Amazon, you can get it in DoorDash. I'll put that down below. And their website of getting different kinds, like of this one, I'll put that down below. And what the website does, you look for this product or whatever product you desire, you press buy, and it will show you the stores near you that you can get them from. And that's very interesting. Or you can just shop, like they have them on, they have this kind at, I got mine from Dollar General, but if you don't want to go there, you can go to the Amazon store. They have them on iHerb, Instacart. I don't know where else they have it, but it was really hard online to find this one specifically. But I'd rather, like, I went to Dollar General to get this, and also I'd have to say this is really good. Like, it really helps how I did it and how I apply it in my hair and how I detangle and how I put it throughout my hair and the sealants I use and put it throughout my hair. But I don't usually diffuse, but I'll try to start. I do diffuse sometimes, but not in a very long time. I usually air dry, so see, my hair is growing. So yeah, I'll put all the things of where you can get this down below. But if you're not too sure, just go to Amazon and you'll get 2 for the price of 1, or down below, or just, you see this, you could type it in your search engine to figure out where else you can get it. Oh, and it's on eBay as well. So yeah, it's very good. I love it, and the way I use it has been helping my hair so much. So thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, thumbs it up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified by all the new videos I upload. Remember, love, knowledge, and laughter, and I'll see y'all in the next video.